Good afternoon. So, since I started learning how to make belts, I have been obsessed with making belts. Actually, I have made 10. Now I'm working on my 11th, and I already bought so many different belt buckles. There are some belt buckles that I like more of than I like normal, but this is one of my first ones I did. I actually did it right, but this part is like not where it's supposed to, but it's okay. So this one, I really like this belt buckle. So all you have to do is you just put this around your waist. Make sure it's the right way. And then put it through here. So this one should fit anybody. It's too big for me. I would have to like literally put it like this. And then you just take it and you just put it through the loop. And then voila. And then across this excess, you can either leave it like that, leave it down, or if you you can always put it in the back like that. I'm just learning how, so this one was one of the first ones I made, so I have learned. Thank you.